In this video, I'll show you how to extract specific pages from a PDF using PDF24 Tools. If you only need one page from a long document, or you'd like to save a few selected pages as a brand new PDF, you can do it in just a couple of minutes without installing any software or creating an account. This is especially useful when you're working with contracts, reports, scanned documents, invoices, manuals, or school assignments. Instead of sending the entire PDF, you can quickly create a new document containing only the pages you actually need. Let's get started. Open your web browser and visit the PDF24 Tools website. From the list of available tools, select Extract PDF Pages. Depending on the version you're using, this feature may also be available through the page organizer, but the process is almost identical. Click Choose Files and select the PDF document you want to work with. You can also drag and drop the file directly onto the page. After a few moments, PDF24 will upload the document and display every page as a thumbnail. Scroll through the thumbnails and locate the pages you want to keep. Instead of deleting unwanted pages, you're selecting the pages that should be included in your new PDF. For example, imagine you've received a 100-page report, but only need pages 20 through 25. Or, perhaps you've scanned several documents together and only want to save one invoice as a separate PDF. Extracting pages allows you to create a much smaller document without changing the original file. Select each page you'd like to keep. Most versions of the tool also let you select multiple pages, even if they aren't next to each other. This means you can create a new PDF using page 2, page 8, page 15, and page 25, all in a single operation. After you've selected the pages, review your choices one more time. It's always worth taking a few extra seconds to confirm you've included everything you need before creating the new file. Now click Create PDF, Extract, or Save, depending on the version of PDF24 you're using. The tool will generate a brand new PDF containing only the pages you selected. Your original document remains completely unchanged, so there's no risk of losing any information. Once the new PDF is ready, click Download to save it to your computer. Open the file and quickly check that all of the selected pages are present and appear in the correct order. Extracting pages is one of the most useful PDF editing features because it saves time and makes documents much easier to share. Instead of emailing a large manual, you can send only the chapter someone needs. Businesses often extract invoices, purchase orders, or contracts from larger files. Teachers create smaller handouts from long course materials, while students can isolate important chapters for studying without carrying around an entire document. Here's another useful tip. If the extracted document is still larger than you'd like, you can immediately use PDF24's Compress PDF tool to reduce the file size before emailing or uploading it. And if you'd like to combine extracted pages from several different PDFs, simply use the Merge PDF tool afterward to create one organized document. One of the biggest advantages of PDF24 is that all of these tools work together. You can extract pages from one document, merge them with pages from another PDF, rearrange the order, rotate sideways pages, remove anything you don't need, and compress the finished file without leaving the PDF24 website. As you can see, extracting pages from a PDF with PDF24 Tools is quick, simple, and completely free. It's one of the easiest ways to create smaller, more focused documents that are easier to store, share, and print. If this PDF contains sensitive information, the next tutorial is worth watching. I'll show you how to protect a PDF with a password using PDF24 Tools, so only the people you choose can open the document.